This can be anybody in your family.
जबरदस्ती बिठाया तो उसको रेलवे ट्रैक से पकड़ के लाए.
Can be anybody from your colony. Can be anybody from
Please
your
आवाज
flat.
नहीं करो, आप बहुत serious problem थे.
So it was like back in 2017. Back in 2017.
17.
One of my brother-in-law was abusing me.
Yes.
And when I opposed it, no one heard me because I am woman and I am young. So he's like elder to me by 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah. So it was like no one heard me. And in India, the community is like,
Yours is wrong.
yeah, exactly. So when I opposed it, I got beaten up badly.
Who beat you?
My parents.
Parents. Because you're putting some wrong allegation with this man.
Yeah.
But he's wrong.
Yeah, when he
This
was,
is whole trouble in many countries, huh?
because he was constantly, verbal abuses were going on for a long
Physical abuse?
No.
No. It's verbal abuse.
Yeah, but I had to complain because I got paranoid because he was constantly abusing me.
Brother-in-law is who? Your sisters?
My cousin sister's husband.
So far away. Not even your own sister, cousin sisters.
Yeah.
Are you living in the same house?
No.
Then why is he bothered about you?
That's
It's funny, huh?
yeah. That's
If your own sister's husband shouted at you, there's some reason.
not shouting.
Something like that.
Yeah, he
But
was
he's
calling
only-
me out for everything. So like I got paranoid about it and I complained to my parents that he is doing this to me in your absence. But no one heard me. And when I actually one day I got really paranoid and I blasted on him. So he reported something else to my parents. He complained. He told something else only to my parents. And then I got beaten by my parents because I opposed the Jamai of a house.
Your mind means?
Son-in-law.
He's the king of all house.
Yeah. Especially in Gujarati communities, you get
Marwadi.
yeah, in all communities in India. So it
Not
went.
even your own brother-in-law. Cousin brothers.
Yeah. After that, I got really upset with everything happening, and I had too much stress already on my shoulders of my career, and I was not happy with what I was actually doing with my career, and it led me to anxiety and depression. And after that, the person with whom I was in a relationship with, it started spoiling, and it went on for a long time. And instead of motivating me, he used to tell me that I can do nothing. He was like, instead of supporting me, he started telling me, you are useless, you can do nothing with life.
Boyfriend.
Yeah,
Did you leave him?
yeah, I left.
Very good. Good girl. Did
So,
you find a new one?
no, I don't need anyone, I'm complete in myself.
Okay, good. Fantastic also. Good also. Yeah.
I was like, it intoxicated me to the level that I wasn't, I had nothing left in me. A failing career, a broken relationship, inability to speak. But once, few days ago, like in the first week of January itself, I tried to commit suicide.
Why?
Because I don't know what happened with me, but I was
You
like,
don't know why, right?
yeah, I was totally
You got one female soul with you right now.
Pardon?
You got one female soul with you right now.
Me.
And that soul had committed suicide before.
From past, because we thought it is a negativity. In India, like going to psychologist is a big thing. Then to like
What they going to do?
big stigma. It's a stigma.
It's
Then
a
to-
stigma in our
it's
society.
the mentality of the society.
Yeah.
From past almost 2 years.
Yeah, when you go down there, they say, oh, they planned the whole family, and everybody's wrong. Okay.
That is apart from that. From last 2 years, we are taking her to a psychiatrist. The morning that psychiatrist shows up, he gives only medicines from which she sleeps.
That's all.
12 to 15 hours.
In the initial time that I started taking medicines, I would sleep for 20 hours a day.
20 hours a day.
20 hours a day.
We started counseling as well.
You sleep without medicine, huh?
In May 2018, I had 10 sessions of counseling, and the thing was that there was there's a huge anger in me for the guy who has done this to me, because as any member or any citizen of the country, he has no right to oppose or comment on a woman's decision to be independent woman, and that's what he was constantly doing to me, abusing for my choices, independent, because I was independent and a lot more. And
Now forget about it. It's gone.
yeah, he's gone.
So
Don't have to worry about
she
it.
is not forgetting that.
It's
You have to forget it.
it's difficult, but I'm
No. That man never give you anything.
yeah.
No clothes, nothing.
No.
You were just a mess.
Yeah,
The more you forget about him, the better for you.
yeah,
So we are trying
Understand.
to understand from last 2 years, forget that we have.
What you have right now is one female soul.
और
That's all.
उनको एक फीमेल सोल अटैच है.
Psychologists will talk, give medicine, go back, finish. Any psychologists here? Madam,
She went away.
you
She went away.
No, there's another one at the back.
Who is the psychologist
There's
here?
another doctor here.
Any psychology doctor here?
There were two. One says, oh, she went. But there's another one there that says, I'm a psychologist
Both
also.
went. Both went.
Both went up. Okay? So what I'm trying to say, girl, there's one female soul with you. It's been there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years it's been with you.
7 years.
Okay? 7 years, and that soul had committed suicide before. It wants to take you with her. Understand?
वो सोल उनको अपने साथ ले जाना चाहती है, इसीलिए उनको बार-बार सुसाइड करने का थॉट आता है.
When you're emotional, these souls will come towards you.
yeah,
And they'll make you more and more emotional. More and more. Come on, let's go. What's the point of living? Let's go. Because they're looking for a partner, they're looking for a friend.
yeah,
They're also lonely. Understand? Like that, you got a female soul with you right now. That's all you have. Psychologists, psychiatrists, whatever you call them, they will talk, they will listen everything. There's no solution, give you medicine. That's it.
She has stopped the medicine, but after that she gets panic attacks. Day before yesterday only she got panic attacks. Otherwise, from last 15 days she was okay. She was
Right.
actually okay.
Right.
She was in a serious finance. She had left her studies.
So now we have to remove this soul. Number one. Number two, you must come out of all your past.
yeah,
Past is finished. It's not important.
yeah.
How old are you?
23.
23.
23 years old.
You're not 43. You still a long life ahead of you, my friend. You go and study now and start, and 27 years you'll be somebody.
Yeah, sure. That
Understand?
Yeah, definitely.
You are saying, what do I want here? I am 23 years old.
I am 23 years old.
I am in control of my life.
I am in control of my life.
My thoughts are more important.
My thoughts are more important.
What other people say
What other people say
is not important.
is not important.
I am deeply,
I am deeply, completely,
consciously
and consciously
accepting myself.
accepting myself.
I am in control of myself.
I am in control of
I
myself.
am in control of myself.
I am in control of myself.
My life is more important.
My life is more important.
What other people see me,
What other people see
what
me,
other people think of me,
what other people think of me
not important.
is not important.
In this lifetime,
In this lifetime,
God has given me a life,
God has given me a
a
life,
physical body,
physical body,
and I should use this physical body
and I should use this physical
do
body
as much good things
to do as much good
for
things
mankind
for
and
mankind
for nature.
and for nature.
I am deeply,
I am deeply,
completely,
completely,
consciously
and consciously
accepting myself.
accepting myself.
The soul who is with me,
The soul is with me.
I humbly invoke you
I humbly invoke you
to leave me
to leave me
and go in peace.
and go in peace.
Let God's blessing be with you.
Let God blessing be with
I
you.
don't have to be like you.
I don't have to be like
You have
you.
made mistakes in your life.
You have made mistakes in
That
your life.
doesn't mean I'm going to make mistakes like you.
That doesn't mean I'm going to make
Please
mistakes.
go in
like
peace.
you. Please go in
Please
peace.
go in peace.
Please go in peace.
Please go in peace.
Please go in peace.
Done. It's gone. No more. No more. This man, look in front. This man is not important for me.
This man is not important for me.
My life is more important.
My life is more important.
I just met this man in between in my life. I just met this man.
I just met this man in
It's
life.
nothing for me.
It's nothing for
He
me.
came,
He came.
he's gone.
It's gone.
Nobody
Nobody
should make me
should make me
emotionally upset.
emotionally upset.
I am deeply,
I am deeply,
completely,
completely,
consciously
consciously
accepting myself.
accepting myself.
I am a being of divine fire.
I am a being of divine fire.
I am the purity God desires.
I am the purity God desires.
I am a being of divine fire.
I am a being of divine fire.
I am the purity God desires.
I am the purity that God
My
desires.
soul
My soul
is a soul of divine fire.
is soul of divine fire.
My soul
My soul
is the purity God
is
desires.
the purity God desires.
God,
God,
life is precious.
life is precious.
There are so many people
There are so many people
struggling to be alive.
struggling to be alive.
Thank you for this opportunity in this
Thank you
lifetime.
for this opportunity in this life.
I am deeply,
I am deeply,
completely,
completely,
consciously
consciously
accepting myself.
accepting myself.
Okay, done.
Thank you so much.
You're fine. Hey, come give me a hug.